Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you are liking my videos. Let me know in the comment section. Also, in today's vlog, I'll be answering few questions which were asked by you. So, let's go. Alright, so the first question, let's see what it is. What's your height? My height is 5'4". The second question is, what did inspire you to do YouTube and any influence, or it's just regarding the assignment? So the answer for this is, I really don't know if I'm gonna continue the YouTube thing. So far the assignment is going good and we all are enjoying it, and trust me, it feels like everybody wanted to do this but they just needed one spark, as in basic reason चाहिए था करने के लिए. So everyone is on YouTube, my all DMM batchmates, and they are killing it, and you should check their vlogs too. The third question is, what are my future goals? You wanna know? Follow me on Instagram. Alright, kidding. So my future goal is to be a successful entrepreneur, and I want to achieve things on a very independent basis. The fourth question is, what's your favorite car? It's not a Bugatti, not a Pagani, but I just need a JDM car, that's it. It's my favorite. Like, I just love JDM cars. I mean, if you don't know what's JDM, JDM is basically cars getting imported from Japan, and the full form, the technical word of JDM is Japanese domestic market. Yeah. So let's hop on to the another question. Alright, so the fifth question is, how many languages do I know? I can speak a few languages. I can speak Gujarati, Marathi, English, Hindi, and yeah, that's it. But I can understand a little bit of Konkani, I can understand a little bit of Marwadi, and a little bit of Kachi. Yeah. Alright, so the sixth question is, how is your experience working with your family? Trust me, it is the best investment I have ever done in my life, and this is going to take me somewhere productive, and I learn a lot of things every day. Like I get to learn a lot of things, and it's very helpful, and I could see how I am getting into things and my involvement towards my work. And to be honest, everyone should get into something which is professionally, as in this age, because you need to know how are you gonna balance your life, because what happens when you just cross the age of 20 to 25, and when you are done with your degree and everything, and you go to find jobs and everything, and at that point you will feel this lack where you have less experience, like no idea how the corporate world works. So at this age, I think everybody should start doing something, at least career wise mein, and it's going to be the seventh question. Tell 3 things you would like to improve in yourself. Things which I want to improve are basically, firstly, I want to get out of my comfort zone. Although I work and although I have a lot of things to do, but I feel I am still into my comfort zone, and somewhere or the other I am getting pampered. I don't know, but I need to get out of this, and I am working upon it. The second thing would be acquiring more skills for success. Success is a big word at this age. I cannot just say I am successful and I can not become one. So I just want to be a mirror to myself, where I cannot lie to myself and I cannot just pretend where everything is okay and I'm doing good, because at the end, if I just keep doing this, the world is gonna be the mirror. So instead, I want to become my mirror and just work even before the world goes against me. Third thing would be, I want to find a purpose to live in this life. I know it sounds very as a philosophy wala, but yeah, finding a purpose to live a life is something you should know before getting into any jobs or before getting into any career. On to the seventh question. What's your favorite quote? Well, good question by the way. So talking about favorite quotes, I personally like to collect quotes and just save it. I write it in my diary. But my personal favorite is, he who loves to sleep and the folding of hands, poverty will set upon you like a thief in the night. This is something a Bible says. This means a person who is always into the comfort zone and who never wants to get out of it will never succeed, and he is going nowhere but down below in the poverty line. This quote when I was 16, I guess, and it was written on the windshield of the car, like on the rear windshield. And I didn't know the meaning, but I read and I somehow memorized it. And I think the moment I came back, I googled it and I started reading the related quotes, And this quote was something, I don't know. It really went into my head, and I was like, this is something I will never forget, because the biggest or the worst decision is something like you staying in your comfort zone and never doing anything. So the 8th question is, what's your zodiac sign? I am a Scorpio. The 9th question is, I want you to say a dialogue in Gujarati in your next video. This is tough. I didn't know. Okay, so મને dialogues આવડતા નથી. Like, I'm not prepared. So I'll just देख के पढ़ो भाई. Okay. So the dialogue is, અરીસો દેખાડવા માત્રથી અપમાન લાગતું હોય તો ભૂલ કોની? અરીસો દેખાડનારની નહીં, બતાવ. I'll come again. So અરીસો દેખાડવા માત્રથી અપમાન લાગતું હોય તો ભૂલ કોની સાહેબ? બતાવવા વાળાની કે જોવા વાળાની? Okay, that's it. I cannot do more. This is something very plan karke dala hai question. Alright, so the 10th question is, let me check. Maza aa raha hai. Are you in a relationship? No. Who's your crush? No. Next. None crush. Koi crush nahi hai. What makes you happy? I don't know what makes me happy. There are probably a lot of things, but right now all I'm gonna do is, hey Siri, make me happy.
That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
You got the answer. That may be beyond my abilities. Please. No kushi, only dukh in jindagi. Okay. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? Probably Maldives. Yeah. And what is your biggest fear? What is your biggest fear? Crashing my car. What is your favorite family vacation? What is your favorite family vacation? ये होता है. Okay, I don't know. What really makes you angry? Disloyalty. Okay. What motivates you to work hard? Hot girls. Kidding. What is your biggest complaint about your job? I don't have a job. Sing at the karaoke night? No, I do not sing. Would you rather ride a bike or drive a car? Drive a car. What's the last movie you went to and what do you think? So last night, this is a very nice question. Last night I watched this movie and it's from Tollywood. It's Pushpa. And I really like the cinematography and everything, although there is a little bit of Bollywood and Tollywood wala thing. But the overall movie is good. So I like the graph of the movie, like how it goes like up, and it's amazing. You should watch. Alright guys, so I hope I answered all the questions, and let me know how the video was. Comment down in the comment section below, and please like, share, subscribe. And this is going to be my last vlog for the assignment, but I feel like as a 50% chances are there I might continue this thing, but I am not sure. So let's see. And I don't know, this 2 videos and the third one which I'm shooting right now gave me this impeccable amount of confidence, and I'm loving this. And thank you for supporting, appreciating, and the likes and the comments which you delivered. Right, so I hope you like this video, and until then, peace out. Ganesh, go.
అది పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వరు
Go.